Hello guys, I hope you're all doing amazing. Today we check out a more complex rhythm by combining what you got down already. We use the beat with 1 and 2 bass drum strokes and combine it with the placement in between the 8 notes. And we even take it one step further by doubling the length of our phrasing. Instead of phrasing that spreads across 1 bar, we now go for a phrasing with 2 bars. It feels exhausting probably in the beginning to think in longer phrasings, but it opens up a whole new world of expressing yourself more nuanced and more musically. The last note in our phrasing is in brackets. We go for a quieter stroke there, usually referred to as ghost note. We start slow to first internalize the pattern and pick up some speed afterwards. If it don't work out smoothly right away or within the first 1 or 2 days, don't worry at all. It is a pattern which probably needs a bit more of repetition, and you also can leave out the snare drum for a while and just focus on the bass drum and where your bass drum strokes land in relationship to your dominant hand on the hi-hat. And after this you can leave out the bass drum as well for a while and just focus on your hands. We go at 34, 50 and 90 BPM. Okay, well done everyone. This new phrasing combines a lot already, and it demands a strong focus just by its length and variety. You probably struggle a bit here and there, and that's perfectly okay. It tells you, by challenging the speed, you're moving forward and growing your instrument. So, keep on practicing. See you next time.